fronting. So if we look at this text, we find a lot of sentences in it. We find that in these sentences, there are certain elements which have been brought from their usual place to the front of the sentence. For example, we have seen auxiliaries, tense and WH phrases brought to the left words position of the sentence, right? They make a leftward movement. So other constituents may also be preposed. For example, soon after breakfast, Marianne brought in the Times. So we find soon after breakfast, we know that the main clause is Marianne brought in the Times. So soon after breakfast has been fronted, and it is a prepositional and adverbial constituent. So Marianne is the noun, and we have a verb phrase brought in the Times, and soon after is a prepositional phrase. So compare this. I have never before met a man like John. So here we have never before. So we can shift it to the left words. Never before have I met a man like John. So this is again fronted. This not only we have this prepositional phrase fronted, but also there is SAI, subject auxiliary inversion, right? Fronting of never before in this case is triggered SAI. Particles of phrasal verb, for example, and prepositional phrase may also be fronted in the sentences. For example, he came out. So we have a particle out. So we can front this out, he came. Similarly, he walked into the garage. So we can have this particle constituent into the front and move it to the front of the sentence. We can say into the garage he walked. So this fronting also takes place, and it's very common. Remember that writing SVO or SVC sentences in your writing is not a very impressive writing. For an impressive writing, you must be well versed with all these types of movements of every type of movement: passivization, adverbial movements, adjunct movements, fronting, pseudo fronting, because they give beauty to your writing and they tell that you can manipulate the structure of the sentence in a correct manner.